Hey guys, welcome to Venom Motorsports. We got the all-new 50cc mini FatBoy Harley chopper with us here today. Just got one set up and wanted to give you guys a walk around of it. Kind of give you an idea of what the bike comes with, how it looks, what it sounds like, and how it feels. To start off with, my favorite feature one of the bikes is of course, the saddlebags on both sides that come included. They are fully functioning working saddlebag with hooks to lock it in. And of course, a nice storage compartment inside too. So you got one on each side. My other favorite thing that comes on this bike would be the dual exhaust. If you can see just from the back. Weight sister is very nice. Of course, you guys get church signals, your brake light in the back, and a little carrying rack with it as well. Got your leather seat. Comes with the 50cc 4-stroke engine. Of course, you got your hydraulic disc brakes for the front and for the back. Metal gas tank. Got your key switch with 2 keys. Your gas cap and a force speedometer right here in front of you. Got upgraded cool matching hand grip with it. High beam, low beam. Got turn signals. Of course your horn. I'll give you guys an idea what it sounds like. That's your turn signals, and then your lights. Obviously, are gonna go high beam and low beam. On the right hand side, you got your kill switch. Make sure that's how you turn it on and off. You got your headlights if you want them on or completely off. And then your electric start. Got a 4-stroke 50cc engine inside of it. Tops off at between 35 and 40 miles an hour. One of my cool little favorite features inside of your mirrors, you got your nice cool skull on them as well. Front turn signals. It's really nice, guys. Call us today. We got them on sale with free shipping to the United States and Canada. Our toll-free number is 1-855-984-1612. Or you can visit us at www.venommotorsportscanada.com. Or if you're from our US customer, www.venommotorsportsusa.com. We got free shipping to the United States. It's delivered between 3 to 6 working days. This one comes 85% assembled. You just got to put on the front tire when you get it. And the handlebars. Really sweet bike, guys. Makes a nice toy for the kids. Or even dads, to be honest. Nice piece for the man cave. Sounds really nice. Give you guys a rev before I turn off the video. Really sweet, guys. Another feature I forgot to mention is your gold upgraded front fork. Those are working front forks, guys. Not just for looks. And then of course you got your chrome extension in the front that covers it up. Disc brakes in the front. Nice folding foot stand. Call us today, 1-855-984-1612. Or you can visit us at www.venommotorsportsusa.com. We have tons of bikes in stock, guys. All ready to ship out. Free shipping. Call us today. 1-855-984-1612.